from Australia to Thailand, chasing a completely different life. Slower, simpler, and a bit of adventure. And for a while, it really was that. But now we're packing it all up again. And this time we're heading somewhere new. Now, this wasn't an easy decision, and it's not just one reason either. Hi, I'm Lorna. Welcome to Globetrotting Adventurers. Now, a few years ago, we made the big decision to leave Australia and start a new life here in Thailand. And now we're about to do it all over again. Oh, so we're buying some boxes today to pack our stuff. We already bought some the other week, and we're back for a few more.
Yes, and they put the price up 20 baht each, nearly $1 a box.
Good grief.
While we've been away.
That was only in a week.
Yeah.
I wonder why they put the prices up.
They've got these ones.
It doesn't really matter what type we buy, as long as we get boxes. We don't need very many more.
These ones for...
99.
Yeah, they're...
Oh, they're better. They're cheaper.
They're 10 baht cheaper.
Oh, 10 baht, huh?
They're 42 litre. How many litres of the... These are 50 litres. These take...
Are they better?
They're saying this is 50 litres.
Check the size. They look the same to me.
No.
They are a bit bigger.
Slightly bigger.
Oh well,
10 baht.
get the same ones then.
Same, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to buy the blue ones, yeah? Because we're getting ready.
You want 8?
Well, I was thinking of 8 because you need a few for your office, and I've still got some for downstairs.
Yeah, I was going to bring my tins up.
So we'll get 8. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we've started our packing, and looks like John started to put it all in here, putting it in the gym, which is a really good place for us to store everything. So there it is, and you can see me up here. Some of our stuff, there's more to come in here yet. We have organised the packers, the removalists to come out, and because it's actually Songkran at the moment here in Thailand, it's their new year, so they all have about a week holiday. And today's Tuesday, so they won't be able to take our stuff until the 30th of April. But that gives us plenty of time to get everything packed. So when we first moved to Thailand, we had a vision of warm weather, a slower pace of life, more freedom, more adventure. And in many ways, Thailand gave us exactly that. We explored new places, we met some wonderful people, and experienced a completely different way of living. It really was a special chapter for us, and one we'll always be grateful for. But over time, we started to realize something important. Living somewhere is very different from visiting. The heat was probably the biggest challenge for us. It's not just about being warm, it's constant, day and night. And as we've gotten older, we really started to feel the effects of that, because it does impact your energy, your sleep, and even just your day-to-day comfort. And then there's the traffic. Now, we've traveled a lot, but this felt very different. There are so many scooters on the road here, and the way people drive, it's just not what we're used to. And we found ourselves feeling not as safe as we would have liked to. And another thing we didn't fully appreciate was the language. Now, Thai is a beautiful language, but we discovered it's not an easy one to learn, and especially later in life. Now, that can make everyday things a little bit more challenging. Simple conversations, appointments, talking on the phone, even small daily tasks can take more effort than you expected. But I think one of the biggest things for me personally was realizing I'm not actually ready to retire. Because I came here thinking I would slow down completely, but I found myself missing my work. Because I'm a hypnotherapist and I really love helping people. I've been doing some online sessions, but it made me realize how much I enjoy working face to face. And being here on a retirement visa and working isn't straightforward. So that became a big part of our thinking. And then there are the little things that you don't think about until they're gone. I actually miss wearing layers, jackets, cooler days, and that feeling of seasons changing. And there are also some more personal reasons behind our decisions. John has family in New Zealand that he wants to spend more time with. And at this stage of life, those things really matter. So here we are, packing up our life once again. And it's a strange feeling, packing away something you worked so hard to build. There is a mix of emotions going on. There's gratitude, uncertainty, and a little bit of sadness, but also excitement. So why have we chosen New Zealand? Well, for us, it just feels right. The climate, the lifestyle, and the ability for me to work again. And it is John's home. He was born in New Zealand, in Wellington. And it just feels right, like it's the next step. It's different, but that's what this journey has always been about for us. But even later in life, you are allowed to rethink things, and you're allowed to choose what feels right for you at that time. Now, Thailand has been an incredible chapter for us, but now it's time to turn the page. But we'd really love you to come along with us. So if you've enjoyed this video, we're sharing our journey, please like and subscribe, because there's many more adventures to come as we share our journey, the trials and the many tribulations, and there'll be many, that's for sure. Now, we will see you in the next video when we leave Chiang Mai very soon and we start this next adventure in New Zealand.